Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello everyone, this is the speed run for the 21 Forex currencies on 14 June at 11 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to start off the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, and what we have here is we're in the summer. Heikin-Ashi is all momentum is up for this particular currency, so we're going to move our buy order down to the top of the Heikin-Ashi on the Sunday candle. Right. So if continues to go short, which it did trigger our short, comes back up against it, it'll be stopped out. And also a long will be entered in for this particular currency. We do plan to also enter in another position at the hump of the dragon, this location, in addition to the weekly high. We're in the summer season. Aussie dollar Swiss franc, we're going to move this long position. Again, bias is long with a long position to the height of this Heikin-Ashi. And as you can see here, we have another position at the hump of the dragon and another position at the weekly high. We're in the summer season. Aussie dollar Japanese yen, again, same thing. Move it to the height of the Heikin-Ashi. Bias is long. Heikin-Ashi candles long at the hump of the dragon and at the weekly high. We're in the summer season. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. We have a bias that is both on the long with the season and with the Heikin-Ashi in the short on the weekly candle. So we currently have a short position that we're in, and we're going to move the stop down to the height of the Heikin-Ashi. We're in the winter season. Aussie dollar, US dollar, everything is green. We're in the spring. We move the long position here, the height of the Heikin-Ashi. We're in the summer season. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we're in the spring with down in Heikin-Ashi. So there is conflicting signals on the weekly. So we'll wait for the weekly high and low to activate this particular currency pair. We're in the fall season. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, same thing. Conflicting signals. We're in the spring. Heikin-Ashi, we're in the red. Go ahead and wait for the weekly to trigger an entry for this particular pair. We're in the fall season. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, same thing. We're in the winter, and the Heikin-Ashi is in the green. So we have two conflicting signals. We'll wait till the high or low activates the particular signal. Now we could go, we got two red candles short of the RL10. We could go with it, but that is so close to our entry. We'll just wait for the entry at this point. We're in the summer season. Euro Aussie dollar, we're in a downtrend. As you can see, Heikin-Ashi is red. We're in the fall. We're going to move this short order up to below this Heikin-Ashi. And we're going to put an additional second position at the base of the dragon. This is Euro Aussie dollar. We're in the winter season. Euro Canadian dollar, we have conflicting Heikin-Ashi in the green. We're in the fall season. Fall is turning up, so we'll wait for the weekly to trigger an entry. We're in the summer season. We're in the spring season on the daily. Euro Swiss franc, we got conflicting Heikin-Ashi. We're in the spring. Wait for the trigger on the weekly high or low. It is volatile in terms of its average true range. Euro Japanese yen, again, conflicting. We have a red Heikin-Ashi, green, spring season. So we'll wait for the weekly trigger. We're in the summer season. Euro New Zealand dollar, in the red on the Heikin-Ashi. We're in the fall season. We move short up to the edge of the Heikin-Ashi, below the Heikin-Ashi, which is close to the belly of the dragon. We're in the winter season. Euro US dollar, everything is green. We're in the spring. We do long order down to the height of the Heikin-Ashi. And we'll put in a second position at the height of the RL10. With the third position at the weekly high. We're in the summer season. New Zealand Canadian dollar, everything is green. With it's so close to the weekly high, we'll just wait for the weekly high to trigger. We're in the summer season. New Zealand Swiss franc, everything is green. We're in the spring. Move the long order down to the height of the Heikin-Ashi. With the second order at the hump of the dragon. Third order at the weekly high. We're in the summer season. New Zealand Japanese yen, same thing. Everything is green. We're in the spring. Move the order down, long order down to the height of the Heikin-Ashi. We have a second order at the height of the hump of the dragon. Third at the weekly high. We're in the summer season. New Zealand US dollar, we'll move this down to the height of the Heikin-Ashi, and we'll put another order in at the height of the hump of the dragon. Three orders. Third order at the height of the weekly high. We're in the summer season. US Canadian dollar, everything is red. We're in the fall. We've moved this to the low of the Heikin-Ashi, and we have another second position at the belly of the dragon. Third position will be at the low of this candle since it's so close to the RL10. We're in the winter season. US dollar Swiss franc, I'm going to go ahead and stay away from it. As you can see, the Z3 is on the short side, is north. of the weekly low, which means its risk to reward is rather high if we were going to short this particular currency pair. US dollar, Japanese yen, everything is in the red. We have a red Heikinashi. We're in the winter, so we move this sell order to the low of this Heikinashi. Let's see if we get triggered. We're in the fall season. I want to go back to the euro Canadian dollar, and I just want you to take a look at Z3 is below the weekly high, which means it's a high risk to reward, or high risk to low reward on this particular currency. And as you can see, the Z3 here. So we're in a potential pinch for this thing. This thing's about ready to pop. We don't know what direction it's going, but it's going to pop. Look how long this pinch has been. So for this daily currency pair, we'll see what direction it goes. But I have no order in for the euro Canadian dollar. Well, folks, that's all I have for the speed run. We're currently conducting a Forex bootcamp and a Forex intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Happy trading, everyone. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.